Good morning, class. I am Supreet Kaur. How are you all doing today? I am very sure you all are doing quite good and you are really exciting for my class again. Okay, now look at these pictures and tell me about these pictures. Read the group of words written for the pictures. First picture, warriors are true doctors our. Second, real are superheroes doctors. Always should wear mask aware we outgoing while. Should hand wash we hour regularly. I hope you could not understand what I wanted to say about these pictures because I was not saying the correct thing. I'll repeat once again. Now look at the following pictures and read the group of words again. First picture, doctors are our true warriors. Second picture is saying, doctors are real superheroes. We should always wear a mask while going out. Next sentence is, we should wash our hands regularly. Now could you understand? Yes, because now I said it in the correct manner I was supposed to say. When we speak, read or write, we should use the group of words in the correct order so that these group of words can express our thoughts. So class, today we are going to start a topic of your grammar portion, that is the sentence. So tell me, what do you think a sentence is? What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense and expresses our thoughts. We use sentences when we speak, read and write. So it is very important that we frame all the sentences correctly and in a meaningful manner. For example, children should study regularly. Children, always remember all sentences begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. If it is a normal sentence and we are talking in general, we end our sentences with a full stop. For example, doctors are superheroes. This is a normal sentence and we are talking in general. Second, if it is a question, we always end it with a question mark. For example, what is your name? Third, if we are expressing a sudden feeling, then we end it with an exclamation mark. For example, wow, what a great news. Well, students, this is how this lesson, the sentence, looks in your book. I have taken these pictures from your grammar book itself. In this page, there are some sentences, group of words that do not make sense. Like, is girl a good Mary? Second, old 5 years is she? Third, brother one has she? Fourth, doll plays with her she. Fifth, an ice cream loves she to eat. Do these groups of words make sense? No, they do not make sense. Now read the same words in another order. First, Mary is a good girl. Second, she is 5 years old. Third, she has one brother. Fourth, she plays with her doll. Fifth, she loves to eat ice cream. Do these group of words make sense? Yes, they make complete sense. So we see that when the words are placed in their proper order, They form what is called a sentence. So, a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Children, this is the first exercise of this chapter. In the first exercise, you have to arrange these words so that they make sentences. Do not add any new words. The first one has been done for you. Remember to add capital letters and full stops. In the second exercises, you have to look at the sentences given below and you have to follow the rules of making sentences. Put each sentence in the space given below and write them using capital letters and full stops. Dear children, go through this chapter and try to write 5 meaningful sentences about your experience of online classes.